Okay, do you guys see the end of it, the tip of it? Did everybody manage to get it out? Yeah. All right, this is called a needle valve here, and it goes like this. Okay, it should form a perfect cone there, and then it goes into a seat here. Like this. And what it is it's for metering the gas here. It's for fine-tuning the gas flow. But the problem is that people use this to shut off the gas. And when people use this to shut off the gas, they tighten it super tight against the seat and end up denting the needle. Do you see? Is your needle dented at the top? It's no longer a cone, but something like that. Do you see that? That's because people don't know how to use this properly. This is not meant to shut off the gas. It's just meant to fine-tune the gas. And by denting this, you just screwed it up because it can't fine-tune it as well as it did before. You know? So I just wanted you to take it out so you could see a damaged needle valve. This is a damaged needle valve. The needle valve, again, you could gently close it, but a lot of people just crank on it to shut off the gas. No, you don't do that. The gas is going to be shut on and off by the main valve. The needle valve is fine tuning. The main valve is your coarse tuning or your rough tuning. So go ahead and screw the needle valve back in there until it stops. And so you screw it all the way in. Okay, so you could gently close it like this. That's fine. And now it's completely closed off. Well, we don't want it completely closed off. So once it closes off, back it off a little bit. Then we're good. Just back it off a little bit. Like an eighth of a turn. All right, so a normal needle valve looks like this. It's for fine tuning. The coarse tuning is this. So that's going to control how much gas goes in there. Then we got to mix the methane with the air. And you could take the top part. Let's unscrew the top part out. Okay, did you take out the top part out? Take it off completely. Now look at the little hole coming from the base. You see the little... Yeah, keep unscrewing. Unscrew the... This is called the barrel. Completely unscrew the barrel off. Okay, now take a little look at the hole in the base. Do you see that hole? Okay, look at that hole and then close the needle valve and open the needle valve gently. Gently close it. You can open it. No problem. Do you see the needle rising up and then going down? Okay, that's what we're using to fine tune it. It's not an on-off. It's for fine tuning. People are making it on-off by denting the needle, so there's only two. It's on or off. You know? Okay, so we see that. Now, what we're going to do is let's back off the needle, let's say one full turn. So do this one full turn open. So turn on the gas a little bit, and then we should have gas going out there. You could feel it with your finger. You feel it with your finger, the gas coming out of the little hole? It's not going to explode. Well, it could explode, so turn off the gas. Just turn it on, turn it off. Do you smell the gas? Yeah. They put an odorant in gas, like I said before, so we don't risk explosion. The gas itself is not toxic, but the explosion can be. All right, that's the gas. Coming out of there is a mixture, and so that's just natural gas coming out. But there's no air because it's just coming from here, natural gas. So people use these terms incorrectly. Some people might say that's pure natural gas because there's no air. But, people would know what they're talking about. But natural gas is not pure. There's so many different mixtures of natural gas. Like the natural gas here is different than the natural gas in white. Okay, now we got to mix it with air. The air is going to come through. Do you see the holes at the base? The air comes through those. And we can adjust the amount of air by screwing in and screwing out the base. So if we screw it all the way down, if you screw it all the way down, the holes are pretty much closed, so no air is getting in. All right. Do you guys have it? Almost? Okay, then we're going to get a match. This is the sequence we're going to do. We're going to light the match. This is to prevent explosions. And then light the match first and then turn on the gas. Okay, we don't want to turn on the gas first and then light the match. So light the match first and then turn on the gas.